In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Grammarly in just a few seconds. This is really useful if you write in a different dialect or want Grammarly to check your writing more accurately for the region you use most often. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the Grammarly extension icon. This will open the Grammarly pop-up menu where you can access your writing settings. Once the menu appears, scroll all the way down to the bottom. Grammarly keeps the language option near the lower part of the menu, so keep scrolling until you find it. At the bottom, you'll see a drop-down labeled I write in. Click that drop-down to open the list of available language dialects. From there, select the language dialect you prefer. For example, you may choose the version of English that matches your region, such as American, British, Canadian, or Australian English, depending on what Grammarly shows you. As soon as you make your selection, Grammarly will update its language settings and start checking your writing based on that choice. That's all there is to it. You've now changed the language in Grammarly and can continue writing with the right dialect set for your needs. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick how-to video.